Hello family and friends. I have my mother's 2008 XC70. It has a code P0190 fuel pressure sensor on the rail. It's giving her issues. She goes to start the car in the morning and then it stalls and turns off immediately. We're going to see if this resolves that issue. I already have the hood popped and we're going to remove the engine cover to access this sensor. It's on the fuel rail behind this engine cover. We're going to remove that and we're just going to place that up here on the windshield area. This is the fuel rail. Here's the fuel pressure sensor on the end of the rail. There's the connection. There's a T25 screw that is behind or up under this wire harness. You want to get you a ratchet, well, a offset ratchet set to gain access, because it's very tight. If you don't, there's this part of the engine right here that will keep you from getting in there without this special tool. So we're going to take our T25 and get this part out. I have the new part in the car. This is a Bosch part. We got synthetic grease that we're going to put on this gasket too. I saw that in the video. Here's the new sensor right here. And we're going to get started on it. Get ready to, you may get sprayed. So I have cloths too. Let me get the cloths out. Whenever you remove that sensor off that fuel rail, and there's videos where you can relieve the pressure, but you know, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna relieve the pressure. You can relieve the pressure right here. I really don't want to. I'm just not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put this rag up under here, and whatever fuel comes out, it's gonna come out anyway. We're gonna be here ready with the part. As soon as we take this sensor off, we're gonna install it immediately. But have you just have your little rag up under there, and I'm gonna update you. I can't hold this and film at the same time, so I'm gonna update you on the installation. All right, we got the fuel rail pressure sensor on. I take back what I said, relieve pressure, because fuel, I didn't know it was under that much pressure. It is under a ton of pressure, and I'm gonna have to take a shower after this, and I need to hose down a little bit of the engine compartment. Everything's nice and tight. We're going to put the engine cover back on, and also go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal so you don't make no sparks or anything. You don't want nothing going on. We're going to take it for a test drive, and we're going to see how it goes. All right. Right before we go on the test drive, I just want to say, go ahead and get the Stanley tool. This is still a good tool, but you need a wrench style, so where the wrench will stay on the bolt, and that way it will not fall off the bolt. This kept falling off. I couldn't stay on the bolt, and it took forever to get to back out that T25. So I'll find out a link so that we can get you the correct information. Get the T25 Stanley offset wrench. Saw that on another YouTube video. It's crucial. You got to have it. Relieve the pressure. Like I said, we got the battery all buttoned up. We're going to take a test drive. Check for leaks too. We did a couple of throttle applications and we have no leaks. Tighten up where you relieve pressure and snug it up real good. We have no check engine light. It's running nice and fine. We'll update you when we get back. All right, the repair is complete. There's no more stalling upon starting the car. We're going to get in and we're going to do a startup to demonstrate. It would always stall on the first start of the day. Put your key in here. No more P0190. It is all good. All right, y'all have a great day.